Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about how to create and delete the users in Linux. Okay, let's see the demo. If you want to create a users or if you want to create a user or delete the user, you can use there are commands is there. If you want to create the user, you can use user add command or add user command. Using user add or add user, you can create the users. Let's see how we can create. Now I'm going to create the user. Example, I'm creating user add. I'm creating Murali user. Okay, I'm creating Murali user. I have created. How you can verify whether user is created or not? Using ID command, you can verify ID space Murali. If you observe here, when you use ID space the particular username, it will be displayed like this. UID means user ID. This is the unique ID, the particular Murali, and GID means group ID. This is the group ID, the particular name. Remember, when you are creating the user, by default with the same name, it will be create a group also. It will be create the group also. Example, you have created Murali user. Along with Murali user, default it will be created. Same group name is Murali. Okay, well and good, it is created. Where these users will be stored. Okay, the users will be stored inside the etc pathwd. Inside the etc directory, we have a pathwd file. It will be stored. If you observe here, I'm using cat command etc pathwd. If you observe here, Murali we have created, right? And this is the UID, this is the group ID. Okay. When you are creating the user, as I said earlier, when we are discussing Linux directory structure, if you create any user, the user is available in home directory also. Inside the home directory, Murali is there. Okay, got it right? Where we can get that user's creation information, we can get from etc pathwd. Okay, and also I'm going to home directory. Here also we can able to see that Murali directory. You can ignore user one earlier I have created. Okay, if you observe here, Murali directory is created. Got it right? With the particular user, it will be create the directory. If you observe here, this is the user, this is the group. As I said, like each and every directory file, it contains user and group. Here the username is Murali, group name also Murali. Okay, fine. Next one. If you want to, instead of using user, you can use add user also. Using add user also, you can create the users. Let me try add user also. You can use either user add or add user. Here I'm giving user add user. I'm giving the Sunil. Sunil user is created. I'm checking ID command. Using ID command, I'm checking that whether it's Sunil user created or not. If you observe here, UID user is created. Group is created. As I said, like when you create the user with the same username, it will be create the group also. Okay, and in case I'm checking here, Naresh, ID Naresh, if the particular user is not available, it will be throw like this, no such user, because Naresh user we haven't created, right? That's why it is throwing like this. Okay, got it right? Next one, how can delete the users? If you want to delete the users, you can use user del command. Using user del command, you can delete the user. Now I'm deleting here user del. Okay, user del, and I'm giving here Sunil. Remember, when you are deleting that user, you should be give the -r recursively, because if you are not giving -r, what will happen? Inside the home directory, we have it will be create the user, right? That user directly it won't be deleted if you are not giving -r. For example, I'm not giving -r. Let's see, user del, and I've given the Sunil. Now I'm using ID command to verify whether user is there or not, because we have deleted. That is the reason it is showing no such user. Even if you go and check in etc pathwd also, the particular user won't be there. If you observe here, Murali is there, but Sunil user is not there. And also if you go to here home directory, as I said, if you are not giving -r, still the particular Sunil directory will be here present. That is the reason when you are deleting the user, you should give -r. Don't forget, you should be give -r, and then you have to give the particular user. For example, I'm giving Murali user. I'm deleting. Murali user deleted, right? If you observe here, that Murali directly it won't be here. The reason is we have given -r. It will be even it is deleted from home directory also. Okay, this is the use cases of, this is the process of creating both users and deleting the user. Either you can use user add user command to create the user, and you can use user del command to delete the user. But very important question in interview level, when I create the user, how can we verify where the particular users will be stored? You can verify using id command whether user is created or not, and also you can verify from cat command, use etc possibility. Inside the possibility, you can verify whether users are available or not. There are multiple users there, default users, and also we have created Murali and Sunil also. Both users is available. Once you delete the users, it won't be available there. Remember this point, okay? Very, very important thing here. Any questions? No, right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.